Hello everybody, a very good evening and welcome to yet another धमाकेदार फराटेदार and मजेदार session by Embibe. This is Pritesh, your host, your dose and a proud educator from Embibe, welcoming you to the very interesting quiz on human body. So let's see today how well do you know yourself. Yes guys, this quiz today is going to be all about your own body. It's going to be super amazing, super informative and super interesting. Right? So I'll be asking you questions which are about your own body, and today you'll be surprised to know that what this bundle of flesh and skeleton has in itself. There are so many mysteries and so many unknown facts, unknown concepts, unknown things that we'll be talking about your own body. So a very warm welcome to all of you. Before we start the quiz, I just want all of you to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Do share this video with your friends in school WhatsApp group, and also guys subscribe to the channel because it's absolutely free of cost. Apart from that, I also want all of you to have a look, take a glimpse at the Embibe School page, which is again absolutely free of cost. It is the Embibe School app which you can download, again free of cost, where you get unlimited free of cost access to all the books of your CBSE, all the questions, all the solutions to the questions, all the tests, all the lessons, all the videos, everything absolutely free of cost. So just give a try. एक बार जाके तो देखो, free है. हम इंडियंस हैं, हमें फ्री की चीज़ें बहुत पसंद आती है, तो एक बार इस एम्बाइब स्कूल पेज, इस एम्बाइब स्कूल ऐप पे जाकर तो देखो, फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है. एंड लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, इफ यू वांट टू लर्न स्मूथली, इफ यू वांट टू लर्न इफेक्टिवली एंड इफ यू वांट टू लर्न इन एन इंटरेस्टिंग मैनर, एम्बाइब is your one-stop destination. So just have a visit. Apart from that, also free of cost, you know, today is a very free day. I'm giving so many things free of cost. Just like this quiz is free of cost, just like this YouTube channel is free of cost, so is the Embibe Telegram 9/10 channel. All you need to do is just scan this QR code and you'll be able to connect with us on the Embibe Telegram channel. This channel is one platform where you can connect with your favorite educators at Embibe, that is Sushmita ma'am, Surbhi ma'am, Tushar sir, Ankana ma'am and myself. You get all the PDFs of all the sessions that we bring for you on YouTube. You get PDF of all the sessions, and you also get to ask your doubts on the Embibe Telegram channel. So just scan this QR code. The link is also given in the description. The link is also given in the chat. You can just click on that link and you can join the Embibe Telegram channel. So without any further delay now, let us begin today's quiz, which is going to be super interesting, and it is the mega quiz on the human body. This is our dear friend MB, who is so excited, just like all of you, to play the quiz with me today. So MB, all set? Let's go. The very first question. Now this is the average. On an average, how many times do you think you blink in a minute? 10, 20, 30 or 40? Come on, I'm not going to give you 1 minute so that you'll count, but I'm going to give you only 15 seconds. 15, 10, 5, 3, 2, 1, and the correct answer without a doubt is 20. So you blink 20 times in a minute approximately. Now this is the average. There are multiple websites who have multiple answers to it. Some websites say 10 to 20, some say 14, some say 17, some say 15 to 20. So it is the average. On an average, you blink around 20 times in a minute. That is over 10 million times in a year. Hi Masoom Raza, how are you? Very good evening dear. Keep playing, keep giving the answers. Okay? With this, we move on to the next question. The next question again is super easy, that where is the smallest bone located in the human body? We know which is the smallest bone in the human body, but where is it located? Is it located in the eyes, in the ears, in the nose or on the tongue? Where is the smallest bone of the human body located? I can give you a little hint over here that the name of the bone starts with S. Absolutely right, Masoom Raza. Very good, Masoom Raza. Do call all your friends. Let all of us play this quiz together, and do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Do subscribe to the channel because it's absolutely free of cost. Last 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. The correct answer, as Raza has told us, is the ears. So we have got the smallest bone in the ears, which is called as the stapes. You can see that how we are going in the middle ear, right? It is located in the middle ear. The eustachian tube connects the ear, nose and the throat, and you can see stirrup or stapes is the smallest bone of the human body present in the middle ear. Okay? And together the three bones, malleus, incus, stapes, together they are called as the ear ossicles. Okay? Moving on to the next question, which is the most flexible muscle in the human body? Finger, tongue or the eye? Which is the most flexible muscle? Now how you answer it? You just pick up the correct answer and put it in the blank. Okay? Which is the most flexible muscle in the human body? Is it the finger, the tongue or the eye? Come on, come on, come on. 15 seconds, your time has already started. Very good, Raza. And 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Raza is really rocking today. The answer to the question is the tongue. Tongue is the most flexible muscle in the human body. It has got different regions for tasting, which are called as the taste buds. It has got thousands of taste buds, and there are different regions having different taste buds. You can see the tongue, it's a long muscular organ, okay? And it is one of the sense organs that helps us to TTM. The function of the tongue is TTM. What is the function of the tongue? It is TTM. T, T and M. What is T? T is taste. Tongue helps us to taste the food. Tongue helps us to talk. With the help of the tongue only we can talk, and tongue also helps us to mix the food with saliva, right? Tongue helps us to mix the food with the saliva. Because of the saliva contains an enzyme called salivary amylase that helps to break down the carbohydrates. It helps to break down the complex carbohydrates into maltose. So TTM is the function of the tongue. Always remember that. Okay? Now there's a very beautiful saying about the tongue. So they say that, we say, like we are humans and we believe that the humans or all this entire planet was created by Almighty. Okay? So they say that ईश्वर को नहीं पसंद शक्ति ज़बान में, इसलिए उसने नहीं दी हड्डी ज़बान में. Which means that even the Almighty does not like people talking bluntly, people talking very arrogantly, people talking rudely, people talking sharply, and that is why he hasn't given us a bone in the tongue, right? So tongue is the organ where we don't have a bone. Okay, it is very soft, it is very flexible, and similarly our speech should also be very polite, it should be very soft, it should be very flexible. Okay, thank you so much, Raza, for subscribing. And moving on with this beautiful saying to the next question, and that is, I am the most active part of the body while we are sleeping. Who am I? Is it the brain, stomach, eyes or ears? Who is the most active part of the body when you're sleeping? Is it the brain, stomach, eyes or ears? Come on, super easy. This is very, very easy question. I told you, you're going to be really amazed by knowing what all is going inside this, within this flesh and bones and the organs. So which is the most active part? Very good. Last 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2 and 1. The answer to the question is brain. So brain is the most active part while you're sleeping sometimes. Okay? Your brain is the most active part of the body while you're sleeping as compared to your ears, your stomach, your eyes. Brain is the most active part. Many people, there is something called as lucid dreaming. What do you mean by lucid dreaming? Lucid dreaming means when you know that you are dreaming, you know that I am asleep and whatever I am seeing is a dream and you are able to control it. That is called as lucid dreaming. Thank you so much, Raza. I am glad you are liking the questions. So that is called as lucid dreaming. Okay? Hello Manish. How are you? Very good evening. Manish, please play the quiz with me. Chalo. Next question. Very interesting. Which of the following qualities makes us superhumans? So why are we superhumans and not just a human? Is it because we can fly, or is it because we can vanish, or is it because we can blush, or is it because we can lift? So what is something that makes us superhumans? This is a quality I'll just give you a hint. According to Charles Darwin, this quality is only and only possessed by humans. Which is this quality that is only possessed by humans and no other animal on the planet? Ability to fly, vanish, blush or lift. Come on, quick. Raza, Manish, give at least try it out. Just try what do you think will be the answer. Come on. Very good. Manish, you want to give it a try? 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. The answer is ability to blush. Yes. So humans are the only known organisms who can blush according to Charles Darwin theory. Okay? They say many animals blush, but then again there's a theory to it that humans are the only animals who do not have hair on their face, right? Our face is naked. Face, palms, feet are naked. So the actual blushing, where the cheeks turn red, that can be seen and identified only in humans. So Charles Darwin told that it is the most unique feature of human beings, and that is what makes us superhumans, right? We all are superhumans. Chalo. So we can only blush, or I can say we are the only ones who can blush. Now this is again very interesting. Connect the bubbles with the correct action. I have got two things over here. One is multitask and one is no multitask. And I have got 4 tasks over here. Reading and writing, breathing and swallowing, singing and dancing, sleeping and talking. Which of these you can multitask? Which of these you cannot multitask? What you have to do is, you have to click on no multitask and you have to take the arrow on the task. Similarly, you have to do with multitask also. Just tap on multitask and connect it with the correct task. I'll give you 20 seconds for it. Your time starts now. 20, 15, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Let's see. What do you think is that you, okay, first tell me what is something that you cannot multitask. Read and write, I think that is something that we do daily, so it is definitely a multitask. Okay? Singing and dancing, yeah, we can do that. So definitely we can sing and dance. Sleep talking, I've heard people sleep talking, I've heard people sleep walking, I've heard people sleep falling off the bed. So yes, definitely you can sleep and talk, and then what is left is breathing and swallowing. So yes guys, don't try, you might just end up choking, but you cannot breathe and swallow at the same time. Now there is also a very interesting theory about multitasking. So there are many people who believe that you cannot actually multitask. Multitasking is a very hypothetical or an imaginary concept, but even if you're doing 10 things at a time, at that particular time you're only doing one thing at a time, right? So even if I'm reading and writing, I am focusing on reading for 1 second and then on writing at 1 second. So it's a very controversial concept of multitasking, but there are many people, many psychologists who believe we cannot multitask. We can only do one task at that particular instant. So even if I'm singing and dancing, I'm either focusing on my dancing or I'm focusing on my singing. Okay, you cannot do both. That is what psychologists say. But breathing and swallowing is something that you cannot do at all. Don't even try. You might just end up choking. Okay, chalo. Next one. Who am I? I contain an acid. I can dissolve a metal or even burn your skin. So this particular organ has an acid. This acid can burn your skin and it can even dissolve a metal. Which is that organ? Is it the liver? Is it the liver? Is it the stomach? Is it the brain? Or is it the pancreas? What you have to do is, you just have to tap on the correct picture and click on submit. Chalo. 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. रजा यहाँ पे हो गई थोड़ी सी गड़बड़, because we are talking about the widest part of your alimentary canal, the J-shaped organ, stomach. Now, the stomach has an acid which is called as the hydrochloric acid. This HCl in the stomach is released by the oxyntic cells. The oxyntic cells of the stomach release the hydrochloric acid. Now, in your grade 7 chapter acids, bases and salts, you have learned that hello cricketer Shaurya, HCl is a very strong acid, and that is why it is so strong that it can not only burn your skin but it can even dissolve a metal. Shaurya, please play the quiz with me. ठीक है? Chalo. So that is about HCl secreted by the oxyntic cells of your stomach. Stomach is the J-shaped organ. It is the widest part of your alimentary canal. See, so much extra information also I am giving you. ठीक है? Chalo. Moving on to the next question. Question number 8. Drag and drop the labels at the correct position. Now here we have got this macho man and we have got 4 different labels. We have got the heart, the humerus, the liver and the large intestine. What you have to do is, you have to pick up the option and put it in the correct place. ठीक है? We have got 4 different labelings. One is of the heart, one is of the liver, one is of the humerus and one is of the large intestine. Just pick up the label and put it in the correct box. Chalo. 20, 15, 10, 5, 3, 2, 1. Let's see. So this is definitely my dil dhadakne do, that is my heart. ठीक है? If I see this one, it is pointing towards the largest internal organ of the body, that is the liver. This is pointing towards the bone in my arm, that is called as the humerus. And this definitely is the place for the undigested food, that is the large intestine. So it is HLHL, right? HLHL, heart, liver, humerus and large intestine. Cool, very good. ठीक है? And that brings me to my 9th question. Which or what is the rarest blood type in humans? We know that humans have got 4 different types of blood: A, B, AB and O. A, B, AB and O. Then they have got the Rh antigen. Rh decides whether your blood group is positive or negative. If you have the Rh antigen, it's positive. If you don't have the Rh antigen, it's negative. Rh stands for rhesus. Rh stands for rhesus. Why rhesus? So rhesus is a species of monkeys in which this antigen was detected. Raza, AB positive or negative? AB plus or minus AB batao, right? So if there is Rh antigen present on your blood cell, then it will be positive, right? A positive, B positive, AB positive or O positive. But if this Rh antigen is not there, then it will be A negative, B negative, AB negative or O negative. There is one more blood group. There is one more blood group about which I want you guys to study, which is called as the Bombay blood group. I want you guys to research about it. What is the Bombay blood group? पता करो, ठीक है? चलो. So Raza has attempted by saying AB negative. Let's see, are we right or wrong? Going by Raza. Very good, Raza. Absolutely right. It is the Rh negative. AB negative. So as you can see, this is the RBC. So beautiful. That's why I tell you that if you want to learn smoothly, learn efficiently and learn interestingly, Embibe is your one-stop destination. Now this beautiful RBC that you're seeing, the biconcave shaped cell, is from the Embibe app, right? So that's why I tell you, if you want to learn, grow and evolve, Embibe is your one-stop destination. So it is the rarest of the 8 main blood types. Just 1% of our donors have it. AB negative is the rarest blood group. Remember that. And with that we move on to last but not the least, very interesting question. What scares us the most? Now over here, remember, it's a multiple choice question, which means you have to select not one but 2 answers. So what scares us the most? Is it a cliff? Is it, height? Is it darkness? Is it stage fear? Is it loud noises? Or is it the bhoot, the ghost? What scares us the most? What do you think is the answer? Come on, just give it a try. You have to select 2, okay? You have to select 2, so I am giving you a free choice. You have to select either height, darkness, stage, loud noises or the ghost. You have got 2 choices. That's why it's a multiple choice question. Stage fear and ghost. Raza, yes, you are right. Hi Deepo, by the way, very good evening. Welcome to the session. Raza, you are in a science quiz, so think from a scientific point of view. You are absolutely right, it is subjective, but here we are talking from a scientific point of view. You want to give it a try? Deepo has tried by saying stage fear and ghosts. Okay, so Raza, you have been very active throughout the quiz, so let me go with Deepo now. So Deepo says stage fear and ghosts. Okay, let's see. To your surprise, it's wrong. The correct answer is darkness and loud noises. Why do I say that? Why do I say that? Because naturally, like even when a baby is born, what do? We take the baby and we throw the baby in the height and we catch it. The baby laughs. So baby is not scared of heights, right? You dress up like a ghost and go in front of the baby might just pull off your costume. Baby is not scared of ghosts, right? So no height, no ghost. You take a baby and put him on stage, the baby will start dancing on the stage, he won't even know what is stage fright. So baby is not scared of stage fright as well. What is the baby really scared of? The baby is scared of darkness and loud noise. Naturally, the human brain or humans, they get scared only of darkness and loud noise. Naturally, even a baby, a newborn baby will also get scared and start crying when you put the baby in dark or when you just shout out loudly in front of a baby, right? All the other fears, fear of water, fear of heights, fear of ghosts, fear of snakes, fear of lizards, fear of the stage, all of these we just take up as we grow. You know, this nervousness or getting scared of your teacher, getting scared of the school principal, all of this, it just comes to us. We just, pick up from here and there. We don't even realize when we pick it up. We might just pick up while watching a movie. We might just pick up while, seeing a friend getting scared of a teacher, and that fear might come to us. We don't even realize when we pick this all up. But naturally, when a human baby is born, he is just scared of darkness and loud noise. Not only scared, rather I would say the only emotions that we know are very pure and very nice. All the other emotions of anger, hatred, jealousy, all of that we just pick up from our surroundings. So it's time to clean off our slate, become good, powerful, energetic citizens, and as I always say, we have to strive to make the world a better place. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the quiz today because it was quite interesting and it was very out of the syllabus quiz, just made to make you guys have a little bit of fun, and I hope you guys did. If you did, do let me know in the comment section. It will make me have some fun. Do give this video a big fat thumbs up, share this video with your friends in school WhatsApp group, and subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free. Make sure that you visit this beautiful Embibe page and connect with us on Telegram. So guys, till then, this is Pritesh, your host, your dose, and a proud educator from Embibe, signing off for now. But until we meet next, keep imbibing.
Keep imbibing. We believe in you.